Ever wondered why the earth beneath our feet, usually so solid and reliable, sometimes shakes and shudders? These unsettling movements, known as earthquakes, are as intriguing as they are fearsome. They're a testament to the dynamic nature of our planet, a stark reminder that beneath its tranquil facade, the Earth is constantly evolving. Earthquakes, while unpredictable and potentially destructive, are a natural part of the Earth's processes. Understanding what causes these tremors is the first step towards predicting and surviving them. So, what exactly causes the Earth to shake like a leaf in the wind? Well, it all comes down to the movement of tectonic plates. These huge slabs of solid rock make up the Earth's outermost layer. Think of it like a giant cracked eggshell. The pieces of this eggshell are constantly shifting and grinding against each other. When they get stuck, pressure builds up until it's released in a sudden jolt. That's your earthquake. There are a few different types of earthquakes to mention. First off, we have tectonic earthquakes, which are the most common. These are the ones caused by the movement and collision of tectonic plates. Next, we have volcanic earthquakes. These tremors happen due to volcanic activity, usually when magma forces its way to the surface. Lastly, we have collapse earthquakes. These are smaller quakes caused by caverns collapsing or similar subsurface implosions. Each of these earthquakes is a result of the Earth's natural processes, a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet. It's not about the Earth being angry or upset, but more about the Earth just doing its thing, moving and shifting as it has for billions of years. So, while earthquakes can undoubtedly be destructive and frightening, they're also a fascinating glimpse into the workings of our planet. The Earth's crust is constantly moving, and sometimes it just needs to relieve a little pressure. But how do we measure the strength of these natural phenomena? Enter the Richter scale and the moment magnitude scale, our trusty yardsticks for gauging the magnitude of earthquakes. The Richter scale, named after scientist Charles F. Richter, measures the seismic energy released by an earthquake, assigning it a number that many of us are familiar with. The moment magnitude scale, on the other hand, is a more modern and accurate method, particularly useful for larger, more distant or deep earthquakes. So, what do these numbers mean? Well, each increase of 1 unit on the scale represents a 10-fold increase in the amplitude of the seismic waves, and roughly about 31.6 times more energy release. For instance, a magnitude 6 earthquake releases 31.6 times more energy than a magnitude 5. Knowing the magnitude of an earthquake can be crucial in understanding its impact and initiating rescue operations. So, what have we learned about these fascinating, if somewhat terrifying, natural events? We've unraveled the mystery behind the Earth's tremors, understanding that earthquakes are the result of the Earth's crust shifting and releasing energy. This energy travels in waves, shaking the ground, and sometimes causing significant destruction. We delved into the science behind earthquakes, learning that they aren't just random events, but are tied to the movement of tectonic plates. These massive pieces of the Earth's crust drift on the semi-fluid layer beneath them, clashing and grinding against each other, giving birth to earthquakes. We also explored how we measure these mighty tremors. The Richter scale, logarithmic in nature, provides us with a numerical representation of an earthquake's magnitude, helping us understand their potential impact. And most importantly, we've underscored the significance of understanding earthquakes. With this knowledge, we can better prepare, reducing their destructive effects and enhancing our safety. Earthquakes may be a natural part of our planet's processes, but with knowledge and preparation, we can live with them in relative safety.